Hello, it's Carla and Lisa back with more handy hints. Today we've created a special girly barbell. And why I like this particular barbell is it's pink and glittery, but the stick, first of all, means that Lisa can hold her stick in between the webbing of her thumb and keep her fingers long, so that we can work on what's called the lumbricals of your fingers. They're the extensors. Now, these are a weight, and she can then just lift the stick up, and the weight's going to move around the stick. So it's not that you've got the stick at the end and causing the force to be in the middle here. As she moves the stick up, the fulcrum really focuses in the shoulder. Can you feel that, Lisa? Yeah, and that's where we want to be building the strength, in the shoulder, but not loading the wrists inappropriately. If you want, I'll just get out of your way. You can take the arms up and you can just rotate around. Nice. You can start with just one, but two is a nice way to build up to it. You can put all four along there if you like. But thank you and enjoy.